Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and as a mom who's always on the lookout for meaningful ways to unplug and connect with my child, I'm constantly sifting through toys that promise creativity but often fall short. Lately, I've been searching for activities that don't just entertain, but also help my daughter grow. Something that builds focus, patience, and maybe even a life skill or two. That's how I landed on the KRAFUN Easy Sewing Kit. At $18, it seemed like a small investment for something that could spark real engagement. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I was curious to see if a sewing kit designed for kids could truly be both fun and doable. Spoiler, it's been more than just a craft. It's opened up conversations about how things are made, encouraged perseverance, and become a new favorite after-school ritual. Let me tell you how this little box of threads and felt quietly won us over, and why it might be perfect for your child too. If you're looking for a creative, screen-free activity that actually holds your child's attention, I can't say enough good things about this KRAFUN Easy Sewing Kit. I got it for my daughter on a whim when I noticed she was getting curious about how clothes are made. And honestly, I was a little surprised by how excited she was the moment she opened the box. It comes with everything she needed: soft felt pieces, colorful threads, plastic needles that are perfectly sized for little hands, and even tiny stuffing puffs. The animal designs are adorable. Think puppies, kitties, a bunny, all things that instantly appealed to her. As a mom, I love that the needles are completely safe. They're plastic, blunt-tipped, and easy to grip, so there's no worry about pokes or frustration. The fact that it's an actual hands-on skill while still feeling like play, that's a win in my book. One of the biggest things I noticed right away is how well this kit walks kids through each step without being overwhelming. My daughter is 8, and she was able to follow along with just a little help at first. The instructions use clear pictures, which made a huge difference. We've had other craft kits where the directions were confusing, but this one actually works. She started with one of the simpler animals, and within a couple of hours, she had a little felt puppy all stitched and stuffed. The pride on her face was priceless. What I also appreciate is that each project is short enough to finish in one sitting, so she didn't lose interest or get discouraged. It's not some massive sewing project. It's bite-sized, fun, and rewarding, which is exactly what you want when introducing a new skill. We ended up doing several of the animals together, and it became this sweet little bonding activity for us. I wasn't just watching her, I was part of it, helping guide the needle or tie knots when she got stuck. But even more fun was when she started doing it all on her own. The kit says it's for beginners, and it really delivers on that promise. It's not just busy work. She's actually learning real stitching techniques, like how to thread a needle, make a knot, and do a basic running stitch. It's amazing to see how much her hand-eye coordination has improved in just a few weeks. Plus, since she made the animals herself, she has a deep connection to them. They're not just toys, they're her creations. She even brought one to school to share with her class, and her teacher said she was so confident talking about how she made it herself. Now, I'll be honest, it's not perfect. The felt pieces can be a little tricky to align perfectly, and the edges sometimes look a bit messy once stitched. They don't come out looking store-bought, but honestly, that's part of the charm. It's handmade, and that's what makes it special. A few times, she had a hard time following the pattern sequence, especially when figuring out which pieces go where. I had to step in and help reorganize the layers before sewing. And while most of the adhesive parts, like eyes and noses, stuck well, one of the little felt hearts popped off after a day of hugging. But these are small things, especially for the age group. I wouldn't expect a 6 or 7-year-old to make a perfectly polished stuffed animal on their first try. The whole point is learning through doing, and this kit supports that perfectly. Another thing I love, it's a fantastic gift idea. I've already bought one for my niece, and the moment she saw it, she wanted to start right then and there. It's colorful, everything is neatly packed, and it feels like a real big kid activity, not a baby toy. I've taken it on trips, too, and it's been a lifesaver during long car rides or when we're waiting at a restaurant. It keeps her hands busy and her mind focused, and it's way better than handing her a tablet. The whole kit is lightweight, portable, and the projects don't create a huge mess, which this mom deeply appreciates. At under $20, it's an affordable way to introduce creativity, patience, and fine motor skills, all wrapped up in something that feels like fun. Overall, this sewing kit has been such a pleasant surprise. I wasn't sure if she'd stick with it, but she's already asked to make all the animals in the set. Yes, the instructions could be a little clearer in a few spots, and the pieces are on the smaller side. I can see it being a challenge for younger kids under 6 without help. But for ages 7 and up, especially kids who love crafts or are curious about how things are made, it's spot on. It's more than just a craft, it's building confidence, focus, and a sense of accomplishment. As a parent, seeing your child create something with their own 2 hands and beam with pride is everything. This kit doesn't just make stuffed animals, it makes memories, skills, and little moments of magic. And really, what more could you ask for in a toy? If you're ready to stitch some joy into your child's playtime, give the KRAFUN Kit a try. And don't forget to thread your way into our community. Hit like if you love hands-on fun, and subscribe so we can keep sewing together. Let's raise creative, confident kids, one tiny needle at a time.